Namaste, beautiful yogis. Welcome to Ali Kamenava Yoga. I'm Ali, and today I'm announcing the workshop, the online workshop we're gonna do this year together. Every year we've had a tradition of connecting on the physical plane, doing something together every summer for the past maybe 6 years. And this year this was interrupted, and I figured now is the time, the energies are ripe for us to connect online, but at the same time we'll connect and we'll do a 3-day consciousness workshop. The theme is transformation. This year has been quite transformative. Beautiful supportive energy for transformation. The year is 2020 and it's perfect vision, so it's supportive of things revealing themselves and more of reality becoming visible to us. So whatever has been hidden for each and every one of us, we had the opportunity, and we still do have the opportunity to see more of what we call reality, or of what is needed for us in order for our consciousness to expand. So the 3-day workshop is going to be 3 different themes. Each day we're going to work on a different theme. It's going to be an hour yoga or so. Then we'll take a little break because we're going to change, take a shower, maybe eat a snack, and reconnect for the meditation after. The themes, first day is going to be shadow work, very important, because the things that are holding us back are the things that are in our blind spot, or they're typically fears, many of them unconscious program fears from the past. And this workshop is more of a roadmap, something that we are going to lay the ground for future work, for continuous work, for us to something that is going to continually unfold like a flower. Not we're done, we'll just do a little shadow work and it's over with. But sometimes things work very quick, and sometimes they take time to unfold. It's very with consciousness. Sometimes realizations are instantaneous, and sometimes it's just a realization that leads to a chain of realizations. So we're gonna bring awareness to things that are part of the old structure, that are holding us back, things that have been holding us back, maybe for a reason. Everything has its service, and it is time for us to just blossom, awaken, because the year is transformative. It is time to let go of fears, of the things that are holding us back, so we can be more realized, more fully or more integrated, so the soul gets integrated into the personality, and we're able to operate from a place of connection to our divine self, deeper truth, rather than from a place of fear. And oftentimes we get shut down, dulled down because of the fears that are often unconscious, often through programming. So we're going to look at fears and shadow work, and releasing that, surrender, acceptance, transcendence, excitement for the future, for transformation. Then the second day it will be more looking at things from a higher perspective, dissolving boundaries, dissolving the ego attachments, having the higher perspective, which is very liberating, very freeing. And the meditation will be on the same subjects. So finding freedom through that higher perspective, understanding of things from a more conscious level, seeing things on a more conscious level. The 3rd day will be beautiful because it will be collective meditation on the thing we want to create and want to see in the future. Whenever the mind is really everything, and this year 2020 has been the year that has revealed that to me. Those were spiritual concepts before, and now they become tangible, visible, something that we can really experience on the physical plane. Everything is mind, so we have to be very mindful of our words, of our thoughts, which obviously leads to our actions and to what gets manifested from us into the world. So, and that's why I'm doing the core theme, the core classes, core program on the membership. Some of the classes I'm gonna post some of the classes on here because we're gonna work with the deeper truths, connecting to the deeper truths. What is deep within, it's up above. And we're going to connect on the third day with creating the new consciousness for the new earth, because there's no going back. We're not gonna go back to the old normal. We have to create consciously. The more of us that are consciously creating, not from a place of fear, but from a place of connection with the divine consciousness, with our true self, the more we're gonna like the world that we're gonna create, the more the world will be aligned with the divine rather than with the dark and the place of fear. And a togetherness meditation is obviously far more powerful. So I want a small group of conscious individuals to connect and create a beautiful new awareness. So message me if you want to reserve a spot. I have everything explained, the time. So it's going to be Eastern time, noon to 3, with the little break that we'll take in between the yoga and the meditation. And I hope that it will solidify. Everybody is on a shifting path right now, and I hope that it will solidify our purpose, the reason why we are here, what we want to do in the world, what we want to bring into the world, as we contemplate the old, which is the fear and the old structure, and then we transition from surrender and expansion into the new earth, new. Everybody can share if you want to jump in with either questions or with their own vision. We can share together and create a new beautiful vision for the new, and from there we can solidify or have a clearer view of our purpose here. We all have a feeling, a sense of purpose, why we're here, what our service is, how we're here to change, how we're here to transcend all, how we here to transform and to be the creators of the new. So it is a big theme, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy it. So let me know, message me. I will link everything below, all the information, and I will see you there with our beautiful transformative workshop for this year. I will use the energies that are tangible, they're in the ether right now. I'll use that as our guiding energy for the workshop. All right, namaste.